In this video, I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use from today to start making $75 a day with CPA marketing. And this is XP Marketing with another video. In this video, I am going to walk you through the whole process step by step, how to set up everything from scratch to finish. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Cpagrip account. So once you log into your account, you want to make sure you come to my offers. So once you come to my offers, as you can see right here, it's showing me offers available in my country. So you are going to see the same in your account as well. So what you want to do now is you want to click on this country and you want to filter to the United States. Okay, and I am going to show you this simple, effective and amazing strategy that anybody can use to start collecting leads from today. So make sure you watch this video to the end to know how to do everything step by step. So once you have chosen United States, it's going to show you offers available in the United States. So what you want to do right here, you want to come to this specific offer right here. As you can see right here, you can see the performance of this offer is over 70% currently, and this means a lot of affiliates are making a killing with this offer right here. So I am going to show you how you too can start driving traffic to these offers and start making money from today. So what you're going to do is you want to click on this offer and you want to grab the link to this offer. And as you can see right here, the payout is 75 cents. I am going to show you how to 10x this strategy and make a lot of money with this offer. All right, so once you copy this link, you want to also make sure you download this image. So you want to open the image in a new tab and you will be able to download the image. All right, just as you can see right here. Okay, so once you download the image, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Instagram. So once you go to Instagram, just like I've done right here, so once you go to Instagram, you want to type in horoscope in the search bar. All right, as you can see the offer. So if you come back to Cpagrip right here, you can see it's a horoscope offer for 2022. So basically you want to promote this offer to those who are interested in horoscope. So if you go back to Instagram right here, I know you might be wondering, using Instagram is not quite targeted. I am going to show you how to get targeted traffic from United States to this offer for absolutely free. So once you've typed in horoscope right here, you can see you are going to see a lot of posts. As you can see, they are getting a lot of engagement, likes and comments on this post. As you can see right here, this one is for New Year resolution. Okay, so if I click on this image, all right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to download this image. So once you download this image, you can click on this button right here and you can copy the link and go to a website called iggram.io. Okay, so once you come to this website, you want to paste the link in this search bar right here and click on download. So once you click on download, you are going to see the image in a moment, just as you can see right here. So you can click on any of these options to download this image. So let me go with the download 1080p. Okay, so once you have the image downloaded, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Imgur. So if you don't have an Imgur account, it's very easy to create an Imgur account for absolutely free. So all you need to do is come to imgur.com. So I am opening a different tab right here. So once you come to imgur.com, basically you want to click on this sign up right here. So a country like Nigeria is not really accepted, so you can just use these other options to create an account with them and you will have an account right away. So it's that simple. You don't have to use this method to create an account. Just use your Facebook, Twitter or Google account. All right, so that's how you can create an account. Okay, so once you have your account created, so if you come to the search bar and type in horoscope, so if we search for horoscope right here and we filter by the best, all right, so we are going to see a lot of posts on horoscope. As you can see, this one right here, this one got over 58,000 likes on it. As you can see, a lot of comments on this post, and as you can see right here. And now you might be wondering, why are we using Imgur? Okay, the reason why we are using Imgur is very simple. So if you come to a website called similarweb.com and you type in Imgur right here, as you can see, this website gets over 200 million views per month, 200 million visits per month, and you can see the #1 country that this traffic is coming from is the United States. You can see over 30% of this traffic is coming from United States, while the rest is scattered across other countries. So you can see the chances of getting someone from United States to click on this link is very high. So you want to go back to your Imgur account. So just as I was showing you, you can see a lot of engagement with this post. You can see one right here, cat horoscope. As you can see, over 100,000 likes on it. You can see this one, over 140,000 likes, 40,000 views on it. Okay, so you can see it's getting a lot of engagement on Imgur. So what you want to do is you want to click on this new post. So once you click on this new post, you want to choose the image you just downloaded from Instagram, which is this image right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this write-up right here. Okay, so you want to copy that, and then you want to go back to your Imgur account. So once you go back here, you want to choose the image. So once you do that, you click on upload the image. So as you can see right here, you can paste in the write-up from Instagram, okay, or you can create a different write-up of your choice if you like. Either one is absolutely fine. All right, so the next thing you want to do also is to add tags. So you want to type in tags that are related, okay, just as you can see here, horoscope and horology. So to get ideas of more tags to use, you can basically click on the other accounts that I showed you previously. So if I go back, so let me go back right quick. So if I go back to best, all right, so if I click on any of these accounts, any of these posts, we can look at the type of tags that they used in their post. All right, so if we scroll down to the bottom, as you can see here, this person also included cat, funny. All right, so cat is not related to this post, so we are just going to leave it as horoscope. So let's go back to the post. So let me repost it again. All right, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to add a little description if you want to. So you can add the description. So we are just going to leave it as it is, and you want to post this to the community. All right, you are not going to be sharing any link. So once you post this, so once you've posted this, so the next thing you want to do is you want to leave a comment to this CPA offer. And now don't worry, I am going to show you how to do this. So you want to go to Google Sites. As you can see right here, we are going to create a custom domain for this landing page. I made a video a while ago on how to make custom domain for absolutely free for Google Sites. Okay, so you want to get a custom domain. All right, so in this video I am just going to be showing how to create a landing page. So if you come to Google Sites, you want to click on this blank. So once you click on this blank, you can remove this. We don't need this, so you are just going to delete this, and you want to double tap on this, or you want to click on this image right here to upload an image. So you want to look for the image of the offer you downloaded. So you want to extend this image, and then you want to click on this on crop. All right, so once you do that, as you can see, it's properly aligned to the center. So once you put in the image right here, you want to come here to choose a button and type in click here. All right, then you want to go back to your Cpagrip account, and then you want to copy the link to this offer. All right, so once you do that, you want to paste the link to the offer right here, and then you want to leave it like this, and you want to center it. So once you leave it like this, the next thing you want to do, I made a video on how to create a custom domain. This is very important. You need to create a custom domain for this. So you basically want to come to domain, custom domain right here. As you can see, we don't have one here, but I made a video a while ago, so you can go watch that video on how to create a custom domain. And now you may be wondering, why are we using Google Sites? If you want to use landing page builder like breezy.co or any other paid landing page builder, you will usually have to upgrade to a premium plan before you will be able to link a custom domain to the landing page. So Google Sites is an option that you can use for absolutely free. So once you have your custom domain made, you want to grab the link to the custom domain, and you want to come to Canva.com. As you can see right here, this is an example of a graphics that I made on Canva. All right, so to do this on Canva, you want to basically, so let me go back to home. So you want to come to this link right here. You want to type in canva.com/create/gif maker. All right, this link is very important. You want to type it in your browser. So once you do that, you want to click on make a free GIF. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to upload the image we downloaded from Cpagrip. So you want to click on this upload and you want to upload the image, but I already have it here. So I am just going to click on it. As you can see, it brought it right here. So you want to center this image properly, okay? And you want to also align the image properly. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to this element tab, and then you want to drag this, and then you want to use it. You want to make sure it fits the whole screen, just like this. And then you want to make sure you right click on it, and you want to send it to the back. And then you want to choose the color, and then you want to use a color that matches with the offer. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do, you want to click on this image, and you want to come to this animate, and then you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and you want to choose this photo zoom option. Okay, so once you click on this photo zoom option, as you can see right here, it's very captivating. The animation is awesome. All right, so the next thing you want to do, so you want to grab this arrow here, and then you want to paste it in here. So once you paste this arrow, you want to go to this text. So to find the arrow, basically all you need to do is just type arrow in here. So once you type arrow, you are going to see this arrow. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to add the text. So just like I said, you want to create a custom domain. So I'm not going to be doing that in this video since I have made a video about it. Okay, so you are just going to drag it in here. You are going to type in the link of your domain right here. So I am just going to be saying domain.com. So I am just going to be using that as an example. So you want to make sure you align this properly as well, and you want to give this a white color so it matches this. So the next thing you want to do, you want to also add an effect to this. So you want to use this shift, okay, effect. So once you do that, then you want to duplicate this, okay, by clicking on this duplicate button right here. So you want to drag this to the bottom. You want to do the same for the text. Once you click on the text, you want to come to these 3 dots right here, and then you want to click on this duplicate to bring it to the bottom. All right, so if you play it right now, all right, as you can see, it's awesome. So the next thing you want to do is you want to drag this and make sure you leave it at 1.5 seconds. Okay, it's very important you do this. All right, so once you play the video now, you can see the domain pops up with the image. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to download this. So you want to click on this download button right here. So once you click that, you want to click on this download, and then you want to click on this download here, and then you want to make sure you choose this GIF option. So once you click on that, then you click on download again. As you can see right here, it's going to start downloading. So once it has completely downloaded, you want to go back to Imgur. So this is the post right here. So after making the custom domain, the next thing you want to do is to go to the comments section. All right, as you can see, one person has already left a comment on this post already. So you want to come to this image icon, and then you want to upload the GIF that you just downloaded. All right, so once you click on that, as you can see, it has uploaded it. All right, so basically you post that, and that is how people are going to go to your domain. And once they go to your domain, they will be taken to the offer. So basically, once you've posted it, that is all you need to do, and you can repeat this process for as many images that you can find on Instagram. As you can see here, a lot of people are engaging with these images, and these images are posted recently. All right, so basically that is all you need to do to start driving traffic to this offer for absolutely free. And I hope you find some useful information in this video, and if you do, please leave a like on this video and drop a comment if you have any question at all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.